Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to fix profile info connecting problem on WhatsApp. Okay, let's start the video and don't skip video. First check your internet connection. Click on phone settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on see all apps, search WhatsApp, click on restore and cache. Create session clear source back allow all permission. Click on Play Store and update check WhatsApp app. Search WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app already updated. Click on three dot option. Click on settings. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.